Hello, welcome to my channel today. This is a King's Tutor. The first time of joining us, thank you for clicking to this. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for your support. Now, I want to continue on our series. Now, I want to see measures of central tendency. Now, what is measures of central tendency? Now, measures of central tendency have to do with the study of averages. Okay. Now, what's an average? An average is what a single value used to represent a set of numbers. Okay, so the measure of central tendency definitely have to do with the measure of average. And the average we're going to look at is the mean, the median, and the mode. Okay, so we have different aspects of this. This is an introduction video. We have different aspects of the mean, the median, and the mode. So we're going to start with the ungrouped data. So we're going to start with the mean, the median, and the mode of ungrouped data. Okay, so by ungrouped data I mean data that are not classified together. Okay, that are not classified into what we call the class interval or grouped together. Okay, so now what is the mean? The mean is also one of the most used average. Okay, one of the most used average. It is also called it's also known as what we call the arithmetic mean. The arithmetic mean. Okay, now to find, whenever you hear the mean, we're talking about getting what? An average. Okay, now to find the mean, you have to sum up all the item and divide it by the number of item. For instance, if you have, let's say 2, 3, 4, and 1, and they said find the mean of this, you have to sum it up by saying 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1. Okay, which can give us 7, 10, 11. That is 11 divided by the number of items here, which is 4. Okay, so 11 divided by 4. The answer becomes our what? Our mean. Okay, so the mean is giving us the sum of item divided by the number of the item. Okay, or it can be given as what we call sigma x over n. Okay, where our sigma, the symbol stands for sigma, which means summation, and our x is a single values. Okay, a single values, and n means the number of item. Okay, or the number of what? The observation. So this is for ungrouped data that is doesn't have frequency, but to get the mean when a frequency is involved, so it is giving us sigma fx over sigma f. Okay, whereby this same stands for sigma, f stands for the frequency, and x is the single values. Okay, so this is for the mean when it involves frequency, and this is with no frequency. Okay, this is with no frequency. Now, for instance, let's an example. If we're given a question like, let's say 1, 4, 7, 9, 10, 2, or 1, and they said find the arithmetic mean of this data. Very simple. What we're going to do by having solution, I said this is 1, 4, 7, 9, 10, 2, and 1. Now the formula for the mean we've said is given as sigma x over n, and sigma x means the summation of all these observations, now which is 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 9 plus 10 plus 2 plus 1, all divided by, and you count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, divided by 7. Okay, so if we add up, we'll have 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 9 plus 10 plus 2 plus 1 will give us 34. So 34 divided by 7. 34 divided by 7 will give us 4.857, which is approximately 4.9. So 4.9 becomes our arithmetic mean. Okay, so that is the mean of that. So that's how to get the mean. Okay, also If we're also asked to get the median, now the median is the middle value when you've arranged the numbers in order of magnitude, either ascending or descending order. Okay, ascending going from the minimum number to the highest, and descending going from the maximum number to the what, to the lowest. Okay, either you arrange it, the middle value becomes our what, median. As simple as that. Okay, now this middle value that becomes the median, it is when you have odd number of items. But if you have even number of items, you might have two value at the middle. Okay, now let me show you what I mean. For instance, if we have 17942 and they said find the median, very simple. Arrange in order of ascending or descending order. So if we rearrange this, we'll have 1, 2, 4, 7, 9. Right? So what is the middle value here? It is the what? The median. Now, this is possible because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is an odd number of items. Well, if we have even number of items, making it 6, let me say I add 0 here. So what will not be the median? You have two values. So if we rearrange this now, I have 0, 1, 2 like this. Now, you have 2 here, you have 2 here. It means these two is at the middle. So if these two is at the middle, how do we get the median? You just add both of them together and you divide by 2. The two numbers you add it together. So 2 plus 4 will give us 6 divided by 2 is what? 3. So the median is what? 3. Okay, so that is how to find the median. Okay, so the median, when you inverse frequency, use summation f plus 1 over 2, where f stands for the frequency. Okay, so when you inverse frequency, you use this formula for the median, that so that it can help to give you the position where it is. We're going to see that. Okay, so that is how to solve the median. Now for our mode, the mode is the value that appears most in a set of value, that particular value that appears most in a set of what? Observation. Now for instance, if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 7, 2, 1, and they say find the mode. Okay, now without blinking our eye. Now one thing I always tell students is, for the mode, though it is not compulsory, ensure you arrange it in either ascending or descending order so that it can help you get the mode. Okay, now if we rearrange this, now we have 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 7, and this is it. But it is not a must to rearrange, but it is better so that you can see the one that appears most. So with this now, we can see that it is 3 that appears most. So our mode immediately becomes 1 because it appears more often than what? Than others. Okay, so that is how to solve this. Okay, so that's how to solve the mean, the median, and the mode. Now we're going to see some diverse example, some tough example on this. Okay, so we might see it in the next video. So ensure you subscribe to this so that when we upload that, you will not miss that. Okay, thank you very much. Now I want to recommend a video for you. Ensure you watch this video. It will help you. Thank you very much.